Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your AirPods Pro tips. First, ensure your AirPods Pro are clean and ready for new ear tips. This simple replacement process can significantly improve your listening experience and comfort. Taking a moment to prepare will make the entire procedure quick and effortless. To remove an old ear tip, gently but firmly grasp its base between your thumb and forefinger. Pull the tip straight away from the AirPod Pro until it detaches. It should come off with a small pop. Remember not to twist or use excessive force, which might harm the speaker mesh. This straightforward pulling motion ensures a safe removal. Your AirPods Pro include 3 distinct ear tip sizes: small, medium, and large. Selecting the right size is essential for achieving the best audio quality and effective active noise cancellation. Take a moment to try each one. A good fit will feel comfortable and create a secure seal in your ear canal. This step truly enhances your listening experience. Once you have chosen your preferred size, align the oval-shaped connector of the new ear tip with the AirPod Pro's oval nozzle. Gently push the ear tip onto the nozzle until you feel and hear a clear click. This audible click confirms that the ear tip is securely attached and ready for use. Double-check that it feels firm and not at all loose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.